6:30.
Well, last night you said it was hard to pinpoint exact snowfall amounts. Are we getting a better idea now that we're closer of just how much to expect?
I'd say so.
Okay.
This is going to be a heavy accumulator for all of us, a little bit more in our southern counties. So we might see a significant range difference across our forecast. I know as a communicator that's always kind of difficult because our Lansing viewers versus our Jackson viewers versus our Hillsdale viewers could be a pretty different forecast. Bottom line, we're all seeing snow.
And a lot of it.
And a lot of it. You know, so we're already seeing some school closings. We're already seeing all the prep ahead of time.
Right.
It will be a rough commute Friday. So that's something to pay attention to.
Definitely.
Yeah. Winter storm warning issued. Have a look. For our southern 2 rows of counties, winter weather advisory for the northern counties, which basically is telling us we're all seeing snow. But the southern counties in pink will see heavier totals. And we'll break that down. That's for this evening, 9 p.m. through late Friday night, midnight. And local radar now not showing you anything impressive. This is unrelated. Just seeing a little bit of light lake effect snowfall that is reaching into mid-Michigan, maybe a minor little coating out of that. And zooming out, here's the real snow still on the way. You see that kind of trail of it coming through. That's going to be moving right into southern Michigan by later this evening. And ahead of it, I mean, pretty well displayed. Winter storm warning in pink, winter weather advisory in purple, and the winter storm warning for us extends into northern Illinois. That's all of Chicago, Milwaukee, into central Iowa. We're all going to be seeing a pretty significant snow event out of this. So, weather headlines, snow through Friday. We've been talking about it for a couple of days now. Heaviest amounts of it through Friday morning, late tonight through Friday morning is probably going to see the most of that accumulation, but still, it's a solid 24-hour window of good snowfall. Totals north in the advisory categories, maybe about 3 to 7 inches. Lansing probably can be 5, 6, 7 inch range, pretty likely, but south, Jackson, more so to Hillsdale, 6 to 10 inches. I would say that southern row, closer to Indiana, might see that closer to 10-inch range. See what I mean? Bit of a range from north to south as we go through this forecast. So let's break it down a bit further. Tonight, in the evening, not much going on. It should be a calm evening. So if you want to get some shopping done, fill up the gas tank, anything, better to do it this evening. After about 11 or midnight, we'll see the snow start to work its way in from the southwest. So the southern county is going to see it first, and then maybe St. John's after 2, 3 in the morning, right? Into the overnight, though, I mean, widespread, long-lasting snowfall. Here's 8 a.m. We'll already have several inches on the ground. Notice the darker blues, again, in those southern counties, all the way through Friday morning and all the way through lunchtime until maybe late afternoon Friday. It does start to kind of wind down a little bit. We'll still see some lingering snowfall, but by later on into the evening, still got a little bit of snowfall falling over those southern counties. Friday night, after midnight, it calms down significantly. Most of the system will be moving away. Saturday's forecast may still see some snow showers, maybe a little bit more minor accumulation Saturday, a little bit more minor accumulation probably Sunday too. Snowfall amounts tonight, I would say at least a few inches by 8 a.m. Friday. That's already on the ground for your morning commute. 2 to 4 or 5 inches or so by 8 a.m. Friday. That's probably going to see some of the heavier amounts, and then at that point through the morning, several more inches into lunchtime. So there's your totals, 3 to 7 inches in those northern half of mid-Michigan, a little bit higher, closer to 9, 10 inches in the southern counties. And I would not be surprised to see a few isolated pockets of 10 inches plus, again, in those southern rows of counties. Kind of just depends through how much we're going to see in that morning time frame. Tonight, about 15 degrees and warming slowly overnight. Several inches on the ground by 8 a.m. Most of our snow starts, though, after 11 or midnight tonight. So the evening is still looking calm. 26 tomorrow, snow all day long, most of which will fall before noon. Into the 7-day, a little calmer, but expect a bit more snow Saturday, a bit more snow Sunday, maybe some minor accumulations into the weekend. Next week might get us above freezing, more snow possible later next week, but all focus tonight and through Friday. So morning commute, afternoon commute, both going to be rough on the highways, on the side roads.
Right.
This will be a significant snow event for us.
That is the worst part of winter, in my opinion, is having to drive in messes like this.
It will be rough, which is why I know a lot of schools are already closing.
All right, Dustin, thank you.